Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have a smart LED bedside lamp. It has Alexa voice service, gesture control, app control. Has a smart touch feature, different colors, flicker free, brightness adjustable. Bought it off of Amazon. I'll leave a link to it below as usual. This one, as if you saw one of my recent videos with the rechargeable bedside lamp, I'm essentially trying to replace my bedside lamp with something that's more easy to turn on and off. So I bought this one. It comes with the usual manual on top. This kind of tells you how to use it. There's an app you can download. Not really going to do that now, but eventually. It's packed very nicely and neatly. Okay. I like this sort of an adapter because it doesn't pop out like a cable would, and it won't break if it's behind your headboard. All right, I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, let's take this out. Okay, so this is the lamp. There's 4 buttons. This is the RGB button this is where it flows between different colors automatically, and this is to change the color manually, and this is to change the this is to change it into night light mode where there's just like few LEDs on, and then this one is to change the brightness, I believe. Okay, so have it on here. Okay, so I tapped it, turns on, wave it off, on, off, on, and then I think if you just hold your hand there, it turns brighter. Hold your hand there again, turns dimmer, and you take it away whenever you want. Brighter, dimmer, gets pretty dim, as you can tell. Then, clicking these different buttons, I'm gonna click the color button here. So let's see what that does. Here we go. Oh, I see, because it was detecting the wall here, it wasn't doing anything. So here I'm tapping the button, the color button, and it's automatically going to change to different colors. As you can see, it's a smooth transition, very nice looking, can add some ambience to your room. The other option is to manually change the color if you want to match a theme or something like that you have going on for St. Patty's Day or Halloween or whatever. And then this button, like I said, is the CCT button, brings it back to the white light, and then you can decrease the brightness or increase the brightness, things like that. And then this is the night light mode, so I'm gonna hit that here. Here we go. As you can see, it's just 4 LEDs, and on and off. If you want to go back to the white mode, you have to hit that circle, and now it's the white mode. Hit the night light again, and now it's just a night light, so it's not going to blind you and you know where your desk is and things like that. So I really like it. I think I'm going to replace my lamp with this thing. It's also Alexa controlled and app controlled, so if you have the app and you're in bed, in the middle of the bed, and don't want to reach out to the lamp, you can use your phone, or you can say, hey Alexa, and turn it off. Anyways, that is it for this one. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.